Hello everyone, welcome to your English language class. In today's class, we will study two more kinds of verb, regular verbs and irregular verbs. In your previous module, you have learnt about action verbs, helping verbs, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So let's continue, alright? Any English sentence is incomplete without a verb. Clear? Every English sentence, whatever sentence we write, it has a verb, either an action verb or a helping verb. Most verbs are action verbs. You are already clear with what are action verbs, so no need to repeat. So mostly the verbs are action verbs which are categorized into regular and irregular depending on their verb forms. Alright, so children, you all know that there are three verb forms: base form, simple past and past participle. Base form means the main form, alright, like play, look. We have taken two examples, but then there are many. So we will today in this module, we'll take only these two examples. So like play, look, these are the base forms. Regular verbs are made by adding ed in the base form of the verb. For example, play, we will add ed and the verb play will become played in simple past and in past participle also. Second example, look. In the verb look also we will add ed and we will make it in simple past and in past participle also. So we can say that regular verb play is played in simple past and in past participle also it is played. The same way look, looked, looked. Now let's see some examples. Look there, the baby plays with his toys. In this sentence, the verb play is used in the fourth form because the noun is singular, and we have already done this, that if there is a singular noun, verb will always be in the fourth form. Yesterday, the baby played with his toys. He looked cute. In the second example, both the words played and looked are in the simple past form. Now see the last example. The baby has played for hours today. He has never looked so tired before. In these two sentences, the word played and looked are used in the past participle form. In past participle form, the verb is always used with has, have or had. Clear? So, now irregular verbs. Irregular verbs don't form their past and past participle forms by adding ed. Alright, they don't follow the same pattern. They have different patterns which you have to memorize. Like we will take today two examples. See. See in the base form will become saw in simple past and seen in past participle. The second one, eat. In the base form it is eat. When you will use this verb in simple past, we will use it as ate, and in past participle, it will be eaten. Clear, children? So, let's see some examples. Oh, I see. He can eat a whole pizza by himself. Now here, see, the word see is in the base form and eat is also in the base form. In the second example, last I saw him in a restaurant where he ate a lot of junk food. In this example, both the words are in the simple past form. You can see, children, that they are not following the same common pattern of adding ed. They have been changed. Saw and ate. This is used in simple past tense. Now the last example. I have often seen him at various places and he has eaten unhealthy food on all those occasions. In this sentence, the word is used in the past participle form. See has become seen and eat has become eaten. And as I have already told you in the previous slide that in past participle forms, we use has, have or had. I have already discussed this with you in parts of speech, but once again I'll repeat it. Please listen it carefully. Has is used with singular nouns in present tense. Have, H-A-V-E, have is used with plural nouns in present tense. Alright. H-A-D, had, is used with singular and plural both the nouns in past tense. Alright, children. Now, children, I will explain you one rule. Listen it carefully. Forming simple past and past participle of regular verbs, there are certain spelling rules. Let's see that. First is, when regular verbs end in a silent E, they take D to form their simple past or past participle. For example, love, loved, loved. Hope, hoped, hoped. Close, closed, closed. We can see that these three words are ending in E. So that's why we have added D to make their simple past and past participle form. Now, the second rule. The regular verbs ending in a vowel plus Y take ED. Alright? For example, play. We can see that the word play is ending with A and Y. So they will take ED to form their simple past and past participle forms. Play, played, played. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. Destroy, destroyed, destroyed. Alright children, now what we have learned today in this module, that regular verbs are formed by adding ed in the base form of the verb, and irregular verbs has no set pattern. They have no fixed rule. They can take any of the word and form their simple past or past participle forms. Alright children.